Hey, if you've ever tried to get leads from LinkedIn but ended up frustrated, overwhelmed, or just completely ignored, you're not alone. Let me ask you something. What if you could generate consistent leads, real conversations, and even paying clients from LinkedIn without spending a single dollar on ads? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a powerful system called LinkedEmpire, and more importantly, how to use it the right way so you actually get results. First, let's talk about the problem. Most people treat LinkedIn like a guessing game. They send random connection requests, copy-paste boring messages, post content once in a while, and then wonder why nothing works. The truth is, LinkedIn isn't broken. It's just that most people don't have a system. And without a system, you end up spending hours searching for leads, forgetting to follow up, getting ignored constantly, and eventually giving up. That's where LinkedEmpire comes in. LinkedEmpire is designed to turn your LinkedIn into a lead generation machine by automating the right parts of the process without needing ads or a sales team. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find the right prospects. Instead of manually searching for hours, LinkedEmpire helps you identify your ideal audience using smart filters. You can target decision makers, business owners, people already engaging with your competitors. This means you're not just reaching more people, you're reaching the right people. Step 2. Start conversations automatically. This is where most people struggle. Writing personalized messages, sending follow-ups, staying consistent, it's exhausting. LinkedEmpire uses AI-powered outreach to send connection requests, start conversations, follow up automatically. And the key here is consistency, because on LinkedIn, the money is in the follow-ups, not the first message. Step 3. Turn connections into clients. Getting leads is one thing, converting them is another. LinkedEmpire gives you a built-in dashboard where you can track conversations, manage leads, and nurture relationships. So instead of losing opportunities, you're actually building a pipeline. Now, here's the important part. This is not a set-it-and-forget-it magic button. If you just automate everything without thinking, you'll get poor results, or worse, your account could get flagged. The smart way to use LinkedEmpire is to let it handle the repetitive work while you focus on crafting a strong offer, building your personal brand, and engaging in real conversations. Think of it as your assistant, not your replacement. And here's where things get really interesting. You can use this system not just for yourself, but as a service. Businesses are actively looking for people who can generate leads, manage LinkedIn outreach, and build authority online. And many are paying anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars per month for it. So you're not just learning how to get leads, you're learning a skill that can actually make you money. Let me quickly recap. If you want to generate leads on LinkedIn without spending money, target the right people, stay consistent with outreach, follow up like a pro, and use tools like LinkedEmpire to scale your efforts. Do this correctly, and LinkedIn can become one of the most powerful platforms for growing your business. All right, that's it from me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, have you tried generating leads on LinkedIn before? And if you're curious about LinkedEmpire, check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.